Hi guys, in this video I want to show you one of the best blooms to have in your garden if you want to have bees. These are the flowers, guys. Ornamental onions. Thank you guys so much for watching the videos. Thanks for subscribing, liking, sharing, and yeah, please do leave your comments below the video. You take care. Oh, by the way, before I go, if you have not subscribed, don't miss out on another video. Go ahead, check out the channel to see what the channel has to offer, and hit that subscription button. Also hit the bell notification icon so you can be notified of new videos. You take care now, and I'll see you in the next video.